Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So today we can say the melanin function. So what is melanin? Melanin is a brown black non-hemoglobin derived pigment. Brown black non-hemoglobin derived pigments present in the hair, choroid of eye, then adrenal medulla and the skin. So what is melanin? Brown black, black pigment is present in the, it's a non-hemoglobin derived pigment. Brown, black, non-hemoglobin derived pigment present in the skin or found in the skin, hair, choroid of eye, adrenal medulla and etc. Then the melanin, it is produced in the melanocyte cell and dendrite cell present in the basal layer of the image. Here you can see the dermis, epidermis. Here dermis. Between this basement layer. So the basement layer consists of some basal cell. These are called melanocyte cell and the dendrite cell. So see here, the melanin pigment is produced in the basement layer present between the epidermis and the dermis. Produced in the basement layer. In which cell? Melanocyte and dendrite cell. It produced both in the melanocyte and the dendrite cell present in the basement layer. Then the melanin pigment is synthesized and stored in the phagocyte cell. What cell? Phagocyte cell. Called melanophore. Melanophore cell. Cell name, the melanin pigment is a brown black non-hemoglobin derived pigment present in the skin, hair and choroid of eye and the adrenal medulla. Then it is produced in the melanocyte cell and the dendrite cell found in the basement layer between the epidermis and the dermis. And it is stored in phagocytic cell called melanophore. Then the melanocyte cell contain an enzyme tyrosinase. What is the enzyme? Tyrosinase used to convert the tyrosine amino acid into melanin. So the melanocyte cell contain the tyrosinase enzyme used to convert the tyrosine amino acid into melanin pigment. Okay. Now you know what is melanin and where is synthesized and where is stored and etc. and how is synthesized. Then the abnormal synthesis of melanin, that means some disorder in the melanin. First we can say the generalized hyperpigmentation, that means hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. First generalized hyperpigmentation. One is the Addison disease. Addison disease means is the generalized hyperpigmentation in the skin, especially in the exposed surface of the skin. அதாவது நம்ம பாடியில பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த ஹேண்ட் இதெல்லாம் வந்து என்ன சன்லைட்ல கண்டினியூஸா கான்ஸ்டன்டா எக்ஸ்போஸ் ஆகுறது. இந்த பார்ட்ல நிறைய மெலானின் பிக்மெண்ட் இருக்கும். மத்த பார்ட்ட பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த somewhat fair, no? So this melanin pigment is more in the exposed surface. That is a generalized hyperpigmentation. Another one, you can say the hyperpigmentation in the skin, external genitalia and nipples in the pregnant women due to the secretion of estrogen hormone. What hormone? Estrogen hormone is one of the female sex hormone produced in the female during the pregnancy period. Then another one is the chronic arsenic poisoning. Chronic arsenic poisoning means is a drain drop like what is the hyperpigmentation in the some part of the skin. Drain drop like hyperpigmentation on the some part of the skin. So it's a arsenic poisoning. So what are the main generalized hyperpigmentation? That addition disease. First, addition disease. Addition disease is a generalized hyperpigmentation throughout the exposed part of the skin. Second is what is the hyperpigmentation in the skin, external genitalia, and the face and nipples due to the in pregnant women due to the secretion of one female sex hormone called estrogen. Another one, arsenic poisoning. That means drain drop like pigment present on the certain part of the skin. That is arsenic poisoning. Then go to this generalized hypopigmentation. So generalized hypopigmentation means albinism. What is albinism? Is a extreme the disorder in the melanin synthesis. Here the melanin is synthesized. The synthesis of melanin is regulated by the dominant gene, capital A and capital A. These genes get mutated and become the recessive, small a, small a. These genes cannot produce the tyrosinase enzyme to convert the tyrosine amino acid into melanin pigment. So the melanin synthesis is affected. Or there is a serious or extreme disorder in the melanin synthesis.